In this class we will know the command Emboss, which allows you to create high and low relief recordings, and also the command Decal, used to add labels. With these features we can record photos and texts on the Inventor templates, easily adding various details to the projects. To begin with, open this file, made available in the class, where we will apply the command Emboss, adding the recording to the template. Let's look at how to use the Emboss command, but before activating it, we insert a front plane into the model, and start a sketch on this plane. With the text command, we add the text that will be used for recording. With the command dimension, we position the text in the place where the recording will be performed and confirm the sketch. We activate the command Emboss, select the text, set the direction and depth or height for recording, and in top face appearance we can define a color or appearance for the text that will be recorded. Then we choose the recording method, and with the option Emboss from face we record in high relief and with Engrave from face we record in low relief. In our case we keep high relief, confirm and see the result, we have the text recorded as desired. Proceeding, with the other file available in the class open, let's know the command Decal, used to add labels to the solid model. First we create a plan and start a sketch in the place where the image or label will be inserted, follow up. Then we activate the image command, locate the image provided in this class, disable the link option and click Open. Next, we click on the graphic area so that the image is inserted into the sketch. If the inserted image is not at the desired angle, simply rotate it with the command Rotate. We can also move it and resize it with the points of the ends, leaving it proportional to the space in which it will be inserted, and set its exact position. We finish the sketch and activate the Decal command. We select the image and face, keep the options shown enabled and confirm the command. See that the image has been adhered to the model, maintaining its quality and correct ratio. We concluded this lesson, where we learned how to use the Emboss and Decal features, which are very important for modeling solids in Inventor.